back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if that is what you're looking for, you have found it and you should subscribe. Become one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby. How are you? Looking fabulous. So glad you're here. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a wig review. Everything I did to get this wig together will be after this part of the video. Now we are talking about one of my underdog but favorite companies, and this is the Magic Lace, and I have Miss MLI301. So they have a Magic Lace eye shape parting, which is just that center parting. It is shiftable, and I have her in the color Vanilla. She is heat safe. How much degrees? 360 degrees. She does come in quite a few colors, some of these specialty colors, including vanilla like I have her. I scooped her up from Ebony Line for $16.24. I've done a bunch of these wigs, so if you check the playlist down below, you can see which ones I have done. A lot of pros. Only one con, but mostly pros. This is a yaki textured wig. I did add roots to this wig because of the vanilla coloring. I do like this vanilla coloring. It is a 613 that is in that non-brassy, non-yellow vein, so I think that is great. She's reading a slight bit shiny. That's not unusual for 613 wigs. I think a little powder would help. I actually really feel like if I got her in the color Sugar Blonde or Golden Mocha. This is another Magic Lace wig, and this is the color DYX Brown. I think if she was in this color even, which is sort of like your dark root 30, she would be stunning. So I just think the color is slightly off. I did add a little bit of roots. I actually really like the color. I just think that in a darker, or actually not a darker, but in that Sugar Blonde, I think it would be fabulous. Let's look at her from the back. Movement is good, yeah. I just think this shade is just reading a little bit shiny, which is unusual because it is sort of a yaki textured hair. So this is a multicultural option. Again, I think it is just the color. The wig cap is comfortable. I would say it could accommodate someone looking for a larger wig cap. I did tighten her quite a bit. I can move her. She is shiftable, so we can try and do that right now. So you can shift her a little bit. Oh, okay. I almost liked her shifted. Okay, so that is to the left. This is to the, oh yeah, I almost think shifted she's better. Maybe it's just that it was in the middle. Let's go ahead and do her on this side and see what happens. I did actually root her all the way along the hairline as well. Oh yeah, I think shifted she's so much better. Yeah, I just think it's maybe the color. I think adding some powder and stuff, she wouldn't look as shiny. I'm still going to maintain that in a darker color this would be a really great wig. I almost want to get her in a darker color. If you'd like to see this wig again but in a darker color, because I think that I would really love her. If your hair is naturally this color blonde, you might really love this. And again, if you really love that 613, I love the dimension in this, and I think that it would be a good option. You might just need to dull her down just a little bit. I do kind of like her like this though, shifted. Well, what are your thoughts on this wig? I have reviewed quite a few of the Magic Lace wigs, so go ahead and look down below on my playlist for that. If there's another Magic Lace wig you would like me to review that you do not see in the playlist, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Your skin's electric, my heart's fluorescent, baby. My soul is hurting, your touch is burning, baby. Your skin's electric, my heart's fluorescent, baby. fluorescent, baby. Oh, oh.